Hi, my name is Raja Mehra. I've been dealing in developing photopolymer emulsions over the last 20 years. Here in this video, I would like to share with you the various type of technologies which are currently available in the world, the diazo, dual cure and photopolymer SBQ photopolymer emulsion. Here I want to talk to you about specific products in each segment. With this technology, with this complete technology, we can formulate an n number of products for an n number of applications. Around 40 to 50 different type of photo emulsions can be made, tailor made for each application for various screen printing industries. Now what I want to share with you is, in the pyramid that you see out here, in the bottom row we have three different products. The 625WR emulsion is basically a standard diazo emulsion, is a highly water resistant emulsion used for textile printing and water based printing. It is having a solid content of almost 44%. Then we have another emulsion which is also a standard diazo emulsion, graphic 66. It's used for UV, where UV and solvent inks are used. It is resistant to, it's used in graphic industry, and it is having a solid content of almost 28%. Then we have another product called WR9 plus, which is also a diazo emulsion, a standard diazo emulsion, and it is used for water based printing in textiles, and it has a solid content of 35%. Then we go on in the pyramid higher up to the second level of technology currently available, which is the dual cure technology, where two different technologies come together to create a very high quality of stencil. It is where you can have a very wide exposure latitude, a very wide resistance to all types of printing inks, solvent, UV, water base. So this is something which printers really prefer over other products, for this reason that you don't need to have different emulsions to do different jobs. You can use one type of emulsion to do various type of printing, even in textile, even in graphics. And here we have a product called Rapoline 669. This is used in the textile industry. It is resistant to all types of textile printing inks, and it has a solid content of 50%. It is highly resistant. You can say the maximum resistance possible with this emulsion, and it is also reclaimable. So it is a very good emulsion for textile printing. Then we have Rapoline 569, which is also a diazo dual cure emulsion, resistant to solvent and UV inks. This emulsion has a solid content of about 35%. It is very well used in the graphic industry and also in the ceramic porcelain industry. Then we have Rapoline 969. Now, this emulsion has a special feature where it has certain high grade electronic chemicals used in it. It has a very high solid content of almost 43%. It is highly solvent and UV resistant for long printing runs, and this emulsion has high photo imaging capability built into it. Now we go on to the top of the pyramid, which is called the SBQ technology. In this, the products that are made, Rapoline 3669 and Rapoline 1669, both have a very long shelf life, more than 3 years. As you know, standard diazo emulsions and dual cure emulsions, once they are mixed, they have a pot life of 4 to 6 weeks. But this emulsion is ready to use. It has a shelf life of almost 3 years, and it has the features of a dual cure in the way it has also a wide exposure latitude, because this is not just a standard SBQ emulsion. This is a hybrid technology where we have built in the features of the dual cure into the SBQ technology, and Rapamycin 3669 has a solid content of 44%. It is resistant to all types of water-based inks and plastisols for textile industry. It is also used for high build printing, for high density printing. And Rapamycin 1669 here is also used for uh, textile printing where solvent inks are used. And Rapamycin 1669 is basically a solvent and a UV ink resistant emulsion used very well in the graphic PCB industry, in the ceramic porcelain industry, and it has a solid content of 35%. So if you would like to know more about our technology and how you can reach us, please contact us at the below given details.